Take a moment to check out the 2024 Nissan Altima. This well-equipped Altima delivers big on style and substance. Spacious comfort, active safety and infotainment tech, available all-wheel drive, and athletic performance set this family-friendly midsize sedan apart from the competition. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, blind spot monitor, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, intermittent wipers, traction control, variable speed intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.